What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tools Down South. I cut up some pieces of less than 1/8 of an inch thick pieces of wood because I got something I want to show y'all. And what it is a Dewalt carbon fiber composite staple gun, and it shoots staples and brad nails. And the sizes that it shoots for the staples is 1/4 inch to 9/16 inch. And the brad nails is 1/2 inch to 5/8 inch. I believe I have the brad nails. I have the brad nails in it. So I'm gonna shoot it. They do not lay down flush. So you'd have to take a hammer and tap them in to get them to be flush. I do believe it will go through 3 pieces. So let's see how far it goes. Oh yeah, that's 3 pieces into this board right here. See? Okay, let's try the staples. These are 1/2 inch staples. Uh-oh. Okay. Staple shoot pretty good. This is Southern Yellow Pine, and it's harder than like this fir right here. That staple lays flush with the fir. Overall, what I've used it for has been I put some screen in with it, and I built some little wood boxes with it. And it's got a clip, and it's super lightweight. Oh man, I tell you what, I think when I used this thing, there was no fatigue that I had using this thing. It's 100 times easier to me. It feels like to squeeze this than a traditional staple gun. And I haven't owned a DeWalt staple gun, but you know what? The Bostic ones that I had, they're pretty hard to pull. You know, for the most part, they fatigue you fast. But I like this thing. It's pretty cool. Thought I'd show it to you. Tell you what I thought about it. Tell you what I used it on. That's about it, guys. Till next time.